today on Auto Shots is the 2020 Skoda Rapid, the style variant. This sits a tier below the Monte Carlo, which is the top end. The Rapid gets a brand new 1-litre TSI engine, which is a 1-litre turbocharged that replaces the old 1.5-litre TDI. And today, let's find out how is the Skoda 2020 to drive and how a Skoda is value for money. The Rapid has always been a driver's car with a balanced chassis, well-tuned suspension and a weighted steering. All this now is mated to a new, smaller, lighter and a more powerful engine that produces 110 PS, 5 PS more than the previous one. It surely does not have the low-end grunt like the diesel had, which means you will have to work a lot more with the gears at slow city speeds. But once you get the car rolling, you realize how much this small engine loves to rev. This engine picks up speed in no time and does inspire a lot of confidence while driving. It's also because of the lighter engine in the front, which makes the car more obedient at speedy corners. And I also feel that the front side of the cabin is more refined. Could be because of the less weight that is put on the suspension. The Rapid surely feels old school in front of all the other cars in the segment that have been launched in 2020, because it misses out on a start-stop button, you don't get a sunroof, you get a simple dashboard layout, and that's all. But it's a car that's a lot of fun while driving. Well, in terms of comfort, the Skoda was always good. The cabin design here has not changed much since the last 4 years, and more actually. The layout here is simple. You have your vents, the whole infotainment system and your climate control. What's amazing is every variant in the Skoda Rapid gets its own climate control. Now let me tell you a few things that you get on the Skoda Rapid across all variants. First is the adjustable seat belt in the front. No problem for short people. Adjustable tilt and telescopic steering, all 4 power windows, remote control boot release, parking sensors and a lot more. Now all these features are available from the base variant. So now let's talk about value for money. At around 9 lakhs you could get the base end Skoda Rapid, that's the rider model. With that price you could always consider a hatchback or a sedan, which is a very nice thing. Now, the Rapid has been selling so much that Skoda has stopped taking orders. But let me tell you a secret. Skoda is soon going to come with a Rapid Rider Plus, which could have these features listed here. Now, my favorite variant across the range is the Onyx. With this lapis blue color, you get blacked out side mirrors and alloy wheels. Also on this you get blacked out side molding and those amazing headlamps with fog lamps. What's exclusive on this and the Monte Carlo is the flat bottom steering. And only thing that's exclusive to this car are, first is the Teleo grey dual tone interiors. Second are the scuff plates in the front. Third is the sunshade at the rear. And you get these amazing looking pillows. The Skoda Rapid is surely old school and a little analog. But if you don't mind compromising on those tech features like a start-stop button, sunroof, a better infotainment system, then this car surely promises to give you an amazing driving experience. And this Skoda is surely value for money. Yesterday I slept at around 4. In Konkani, kalang charang nilalo. So if you like our content, then hit the like button, and for more notifications, subscribe. Okay.
And the bell.
Yeah, like the bell, no? Oh, see, my mom is calling me. I'm not even had food. Shooting this review now for you. Mama.